We recently used Bunnings kitchen flat packs called Kaboodle to build this built-in TV entertainment unit. And in this video, we're going to show you how we did it. I just want to show you guys how we often do our TV units. We're building one along this wall here, and it will return, wrap around and butt into the fireplace here. I like to build our own custom TV units just because, you know, a piece of furniture, a TV unit, will always leave the awkward voids either side. You never really know, nothing ever looks good in there. So it's nice to build a nice, long, sleek, custom TV unit because it fills up the whole space. It looks custom, it looks nice and sleek. And so this video will show you the process of how we normally do it. We build it out of flat packs in this instance, and we're actually using the Bunnings kitchen flat packs, the Kaboodle brand, and we're using overhead cupboards. The reason we're using overhead cupboards is because they're only 300mm deep. We've already started assembling. Justin has assembled some of them already. And you could also use the 600mm deep kitchen cabinets as well. But because the fireplace here is 600mm deep as well, I don't think it would look nice to kind of wrap the entertainment unit into it. It also being 600 deep, it sort of just looks a lot nicer to have that cabinetry set back a little bit. So we've used the 300mm overhead kitchen cupboards, and we will set them off the wall a little bit, make a 100mm void roughly behind, and we're going to put a 400mm timber benchtop on the top as well. So I'll show you the build process. We're on to the second day now, and you can see that Randall has built like a plinth underneath here, just out of framing timber. And that's just so that the cupboards have something to sit on, and then we'll put a kick panel to cover that after the flooring goes in. And so yeah, you can see that we've got these are 800 wide units, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then we've got an overhead corner return cupboard and another 800 cupboard. And so we have set it off the wall by about 100mm, just because my overall depth that I wanted was approximately 400mm. We've also got the Kaboodle benchtops cut to 400mm to wrap all the way around as well. It's the next day now, and Randall has gone and put all of the door fronts on. And these are, again, just the Kaboodle range of black mushroom knobs. So the bench tops, you actually pre-order this through Bunnings. I guess just one tip would be to allow a bit of time, because I did order this about a month ago, so it took about 20 working days to arrive. But it's fantastic because if you just measure it and tell them the size, then they send it out already pre-cut. So the carpenters on site didn't have to cut this at all. Because we're doing a return here, they even did a proper mason's miter. They send out this bench join kit so that you can professionally join that there. So that's much nicer than having just a crappy old butt joint, a proper mason's miter there. And the colour that I've picked for this is called hazelnut, and I love the colour. It's sort of this rustic oak look, which will go really well with the floors, which is Godfrey Hirst Astor colour, which is again a rustic oak colour. And now the last thing we're going to do to complete this whole entertainment unit wall is we're going to do some panelling up on this wall here, basically a grid pattern, just to take away the blandness of this wall. And we'll probably paint this wall a darker colour. This is where the TV is going to go, and you know, it's not a nice idea to sort of make a feature of the TV. I'm thinking at this point, Sherwin-Williams peppercorn paint. Now you'll get to see Randall building this feature wall. Randall has finished the timber battens on the wall now. Just needs to be painted.
What do you call a Mexican that can't find his car?
Huh?
Carlos.
Thinking about moving to Moscow. But
Okay.
there's no point rushing into it. What Randall has done is we've put this angle on the side, and then on the shelf itself, he's routed out that groove so that the angle sits in there, so it's invisible. Pretty clever. And then in addition to that, he's also just put some batten screws in the wall and cut the ends off so they function as dowel. That's the full behind the scenes instructions of how we've built that TV unit. If you could please hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. I will link below the website to the Kaboodle range so you can see all of their products. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video.